This is the brushless version, DCS334. Working no problem. The customer says it's not cutting straight. So your guide wheel, that's what the blade sits onto. So the blade will actually sit on that track of the guide wheel. And as you can see from one side, this side's a lot thicker than that side. So that blade has come loose at some stage and cut down through the guide wheel and wore it away. So there's too much play in that now. So that's the part we need to change. Dewalt guide wheel, blade guide wheel. Fairly simple to change. This wee pin here, a wee black circle. This wee pin that actually goes through this hole. You have to knock that back out again. Take that out, and hopefully that wee blade holder's now in the way. Push that up, and that can slide out. That has to go back in as well. That back together. Now you just have to get this back in again with this wee plastic insert. This has to go down to this hole, and this pin then is what actually pushes the knocking function, the step function on the blade holder. Slide it on like so. Line up the holes. And all you have to do then, tap that pin back in again. That's it. Nice solid wheel, no sidewards play. Sweet. That's where you change that wee guide wheel. Simple as that. One wee pin's all you need. Knock out the pin, push the blade holder up, slide that out. You can see the play on that one there now. That's from the blade not been set on right. It cuts through the side. Somebody's probably installed a bent blade or something. Other times the wheel itself can eventually cut through and wear the actual wheel out. To change it then as well.